Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect iPhone to Sky Glass TV. So this means you're going to have to cast from phone to Sky Glass. So the first thing that you have to do is to make sure that SkyGo is already installed on your iPhone or iPad. And we're going to do screen mirror. So if you already have it on your iPhone or iPad, the first thing that you're going to do is to set up the AirPlay features of your iOS device. Also, make sure to enable the AirPlay settings on the TV before the screen mirroring process. So the first thing that you're going to do is to connect your iPhone or iPad and TV to a standard Wi-Fi connection, so there'll be no internet connection problems, and make sure it's already stable. So the second thing that you're going to do is, on your iPhone or iPad, launch the Control Center. Then tap on the screen mirroring icon from the control center. Now choose your TV from the list of suggestions shown. Then launch the SkyGo app on your iOS and start playing a video. You can stream the SkyGo content by a screen mirror from iPhone to TV. And that's it. As long as you have your iPhone or iPad ready with SkyGo, you can simply screen mirror. You can also try to screen mirror with Mac to TV and what else? Windows PC to TV, and then Android to TV. But as long as you have your SkyGo account, you're good to go. If you need further assistance, like if it doesn't work, we have here Sky's virtual assistant on sky.com. Feel free and go ahead and let them know what is your concern, and they'll be happy to help. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.